Okay, that's recording. Welcome to the Caitlin and Becca Show! Which is much better than some other ones that are on YouTube. Alright, so what are we going to do today, Becca?
We're going to go on the carousel.
Okay.
Caitlin's going to pay.
We're each going to take a ride. That already spilled soda on.
Let's inspect that. It's clean now.
Alright, I want the train.
I don't know, my butt's too big to fit on him.
Alright. It's not gonna work.
And she's going for it. It's not going. You have to press the start button.
I did.
Oh no. This cannot be good.
When you ready?
Oh no. Oh, start button. Woo!
Please stand clear.
I'm getting on.
Okay, then I'm gonna film Becca going around.
Boat. And now Caitlin is going to make her way around. Whoa! She's on the loose doggy. But the little pinkish red boat is much better. Much better. It's better. Oh. Alright, Becca. We're pretty off. I can't get off. Ta-da! Okay. That was the Caitlin and Becca show.
And